Welcome guys, welcome. How you all doing on this beautiful day? Alright guys, time to harvest some beautiful okra here. First time growing this okra, but wow. Harvest time guys, harvest time. Pepper them growing really nice guys. Check this out, man. Look at these pepper, man. Oh man, nice pepper guys. Bell pepper start doing really well, man. Alright, and the picking height now. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is update on my okra and my pepper plants, them growing really well. This one is picking height right now. Wow, look at the okra, look at the okra guys, massive. Wow, look at, check it out. We go over here guys, see if we find any. Yeah, that's our ginger right there, pushing flowers. Same thing over here. Right, this garden is producing guys. Man, these cucumber been doing lovely. More cucumber to harvest. Wow. Garden is producing guys. Very bushy, but very productive. Eggplant. Very bushy but very productive. I gotta come back and do a video about this update guys after I clean up this garden. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.